So just maximize the screen. What I am showing you today is in the previous video I left this one and this library icons and the styling of the objects and landscaping. So I'll show you today how to do the one by one element. In this panel, this is the content, this is the library tools. This one is for the material editor. I'll show you first one after one. This is the landscape panel, this is the weather. So how can we use this one? So first of all, I prefer you to use the material panel. Okay, so click on the material after you import the model. If you using these SketchUp materials, these are your SketchUp basic materials directly from the SketchUp. I suggest you to use the Lumion material for the higher quality of view. So what you do is, after you go into material, this color picker is here. So just once just click on the surface, it select this all the same material. After left click, it show you here the imported material. It's from the SketchUp material. Okay, so what you need to do is, after I select this material, this is basically a planar form. So I select this. After selection, this is the yellow mark you show. This is all the material tools. You can select as per your requirement. I am selecting this outdoor material. So what need I change is the plaster surface. So I go in the plaster. I select what plaster I need. I check one by one. Or you can search by the name also. Changing by the name also. So I must prefer this is the nearest what I want to do. So I select this material is applied. So after this you can also remove this. Just select on it any material you selected. Go to click in the material library. Just go into new and you can re-import the old material. So that's the easiest process. You can go into plaster again. I select the material. You can customize by double clicking the material. I just select this material and this is the applied material. I just double click on it and I can change the as per specification I want. This is the whiteness and colorness. This is the texture placement. This is the reflectivity of the material. This you can directly apply it so on the model. This is the gloss, displacement, map scale, texture. You can see on the model surface. You can also multiple control in it. This is the texture placement, orientation. As per your detailing, you can check one after another. This is the lighting material. I will show you lighting specific in detail in different video. This is the different material. So this is how you apply material. This is the SketchUp glass. So I select this one. I select the pure glass. Okay, so this is it. You can change any material like this. I'll save this. After you can select any material, same material apply the same in the all wear of the model. So this one is done. You can firstly change all the material you want in detail. After that you can go to content library.